got smashed up pretty good right here. And I'm gonna make a template of this side, and then I'm gonna flip it, and it is way off.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
Alright, I have a Lexus here. This one's getting a new lift gate. I already got that hung on there. And it gets, this quarter panel got smashed up pretty good right here. And then it also caused a buckle up in here from all this shifting. So I am going to I'm going to weld a tab to bring this edge out first and get that where it's supposed to be, to where it lines up with the gate. And then I'll start working all the metal back into shape. So in order to make sure I have the curve of the bottom of this quarter panel correct, I'm going to come over to this side. I'm going to make a template of this side, and then I'm going to flip it and put it over to that side to compare it. Now you can see when I hold this up here, it's nice and even. I flip it and come over to this side, and it is way off. So this curve, which is kind of what I thought that curve was flattened out. So I'm gonna have to bring all of this area out to make that more of a curve there. Alright, now you can see when I hold this template up there, the curve is just about perfect. So I'll go ahead and cut that tab off, clean that area back up. All right, I got this one all fit together. All my gaps look good, taillight fits good, bumper fits good. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to pull this bumper cover back off, and I will go ahead and get this quarter panel primed up. Now this is the lift gate for this Lexus, and I'm gonna scuff up all the way around, and I have to seam seal where the outer skin of the lift gate folds around the edge. Now some vehicles, these come seam sealed from the factory when you buy the new part, and some do not. Toyota is one that the new OEM parts does not come seam sealed, so I'm gonna scuff this up and seam seal this part.